Binning a column with pandas. I have a data frame column with numeric values. I want to see the column as bin counts. How can I get the result as bins with their value counts?
You can use pandas.cut. Or numpy.searchsort it. And then value underscore counts or groupby and aggregate size. By default, cut returns categorical. Series methods like series.value underscore counts will use all categories, even if some categories are not present in the data. Operations in categorical.
Using the number module for speedup. On big datasets, more than 500K, pd.cut can be quite slow for binning data. I wrote my own function in number with just-in-time compilation, which is roughly 6 times faster. Optional, you can also map it to bins as strings. Speed comparison.
Convenient and fast option using numpy. np.digitize is a convenient and fast option. Returns.
We could also use np.select. Output.